It says Rich 25 by 30 garage. Here's an old workhorse. It's a 1969 Ford. Like I said, this is a different yard that I was in, yesterday. So I'm just looking. So a lot of people, so even in death, this thing found, people are finding things useful on it. It's a straight 6. It is a manual trans. And, you know, that's the beauty of here in San Antonio. A lot of it, if it stays off the coast, these cars and trucks pretty much, as you can see, it's been hit pretty hard for parts. That's okay. It's been taken off the road, served its life, probably made a lot of money for people, for somebody or some people. There's the clutch pedal. I'm sure the seat wasn't that comfortable. But see, this was stunning when it was new. Back. This is pretty much typical of Texas. Usually the original bumpers don't last very long. They do something like this to them. What's left of a Ford badge there. Somebody already pilfered the rear end. As you can see, it's installed pretty solid up underneath. And the reason why I document these, because, you know, a couple weeks this will be gone forever. And, you know, right now it's donating, must be the original radio right there. It's donating some useful parts so you can keep more cars on the road. It's definitely panel beat. It's got the drums. There's the other side of the engine. Alright, 25 by 30 out.